Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Pradanya Kiran Palab, senior educator, emphasized the unique challenges and fulfilling rewards of nurturing toddlers and shaping future generations. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is Ms. Pradanya Kiran Parab, senior educator. So thank you so much, ma'am, for coming to the summit and tell us about your experience here at Time to Grow Media Summit.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. This is second time I'm attending Principals Conclave with Time to Grow Media. Earlier, I had attended when Cabinet Minister Deepak Kesarkarji was there. It was indeed an excellent experience to deal with, to meet up with educators all around. And it is not only gaining knowledge, but to share experience and meet up with educationalists to upgrade yourself. So thank you so much, Time to Grow, for organizing such a beautiful event. It is a treat to principals, I feel. So it is a treat to educationalists.
Absolutely, that's what our initiative meant for. So, ma'am, you have been in the education sector for a long time. So, all this while, what drives your passion towards this, and what makes you keep going every day?
I'm into educational field since past 15 years. Being double postgraduate, I wanted to pursue my career in the field of HR. But I had to live with my husband to Lagos, and I was residing there for 15-18 years. And there was a question how to start a journey of your career, being a wife, being a mother. And I thought of this would be the best field to start with. I didn't start it with passion, with liking, with intention of pursuing my career, but I fall in love with teaching. And I fall in love with children. It was a great experience to be with toddlers for 18 years. And every day is a challenge. Every day is a learning. I feel that from grade 1 till K-12 or forward journey is much easier than dealing with toddlers.
Right.
So upbringing, teaching, building up small tiny toes, and creating new future generation, it's a challenge and it has become my liking. So I feel that what you like, if you keep doing that, automatically it becomes your passion and you are able to contribute in the educational field in an excellent way.
Absolutely, ma'am. You didn't choose teaching, teaching chose you.
Exactly. That's what then I feel. So now even if despite of having several opportunities, but I still feel that once a teacher is always a teacher.
Absolutely, ma'am. So, anything important or significant that you feel that should happen in the education sector today, which has not happened yet?
During COVID, I had attended one seminar and I was a part of CCE Finland educational system, and my topic was Gurukul. And I spoke about Gurukul system, and I strongly believe that AI comes or any other technology comes and new things comes up. It is only a teacher who makes that. So I feel that we must get along and collaborate with Gurukul system and new technologies. That's what I feel that mental health, physical health, education system will be at pace.
Absolutely, ma'am. That's one such of a great idea, and I'm sure the policymakers would be listening to this and have something coming in.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here, and I'm sure the education system of today will get greatly inspired from educators like you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me as an educationalist to put through my views and my experience. I'm really grateful to Time to Grow. Thank you so much.
You're equally much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.